So this is just a quick little video, page 273, question 1 here. So shown the image opposite is a cheese grater based on a pyramid with an equilateral triangular base. Using the dimensions given, draw the elevation and plan. Draw the surface development of the grater body. Okay, so it's an equilateral triangle, we know that, okay? We also know from that distance here down to the middle point. So, start off in drawing my plan. So I'm going to go 60 degrees and 60 degrees. Yeah. Waiting for shovel up a small bit. We'll see. I can go straight down here now. 35 to give me that middle point. From this point then, we can go 30 degrees to the left till it hits that first 60 degree line we drew, and we can bring it straight across there. Our 30 degrees should line up perfect. That's our triangle drawn there. Okay. And yeah, we'll draw another triangle in the end. So that's our first triangle. I'm going to bring that up now, my elevation. It's 110. There. There. And we can bring down where that cut then cuts the pyramid. We can bring these down to find that one there. Bring this down to find that point there. And last but not least, so this straight line here, it hits here. If we just bring it down, it gives us this straight line. So what you have to do is bring it straight out till it hits one of the side generators. Bring it down, and we can rotate it around then from the center point. Like that. Okay. You could also, once you have the two bottom points here, you could also just go 60 degrees. Just to show you, look, it's the same thing. The reason we can go 60 degrees is because it's an equilateral triangle. That's my planned elevation. So the next thing I'm going to have to do is get a true length of one of these here. Okay, so one of these full generator. So what I'm going to do is from the center here, straight across, extend the distance in the compass, swing it. This goes straight up there to the x1y, to the xy. And he gets joined to the very, very top up here then. That now is the true length. So I'm going to write TL on that. Okay, that's my true length. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come out to the side now from the true length. I'm going to come straight across from the top of the cone. So I'm dealing with this first as if it's not cut at all. Then we'll do the cut bit afterwards, okay? So you come straight out. I'm going to go parallel to that true length line. Over here. Parallel to the true length line. I'm going to get my compass, point at the top, and I'm going to swing that around like we've done before. Okay. I'm going to come back down here now to my plan, and I'm going to get the distance of the sides. So because it's an equilateral, they're all the same. Yep, that's the size of them. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to join those nice and lightly back to the top there. Very lightly just for the moment, because they're not, it's not a full one. We're going to have to chop this now, remember. Okay. Next thing I do is I bring straight across where the chopped part is. So the chopped part there now is hitting this line that I've drawn. There. Point to the compass on the top. Here. Swinging around. Now I have all my chopped points. Okay. So I can join from here. I'm going to do this one dotted because there's going to be a top section there now in a minute. Same down here. So I'm going to dot this one. That line actually, I got mixed up on my line, so up there. It goes from him straight up to this fella. Like so. And darken this fella in here. These are our fold lines now, so it goes in and dot it. And all we've left now is the top and the bottom. So I'm going to do the bottom first. The bottom is quite easy, alright? There's a few different ways you can do the bottom of this one because it's an equilateral triangle. Right? That distance there is representing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that distance, the distance of the length of the plan on my compass because it's an equilateral triangle. I'm going to put the point to the compass here, swing an arc. Same distance to the compass, point here, swing an arc. And that gives me the top corner there then of our triangle. Because this is an equilateral one, we can do this. So that's the bottom part now of my triangle. I'm going to do the very exact same for this top part. So this is the top bit of the triangle, with the length of it. Point to the compass here, swing an arc. Point to the compass here, swing an arc. And that's that question there fully complete. That's our 3 sides, that's the top part, and that's the bottom part there then. So that's page 273, question 1.